If you're a menopausal woman doing everything right, eating healthy, fasting, staying active, yet that stubborn belly fat just won't shift, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to explain how the 36-hour fast helps your body access deep fat stores, resets hormone sensitivity, and triggers powerful repair at the cellular level. And I'll walk you through exactly how to prepare and complete this fast. I'm Sarah Knight, a qualified fasting and nutrition coach. I help menopausal women understand what's really happening inside their bodies and how to work with their hormones, not against them, through fasting, metabolism, energy, and a 360 approach to health. When women tell me, Sarah, I'm fasting, I'm eating clean, but my belly fat just won't budge, I get it. I've been there too. When I first moved into a 36-hour fast, it was because I'd hit that exact point. I was doing all the right things, but not seeing that change in my belly fat. My shorter fasts, yes, had boosted my energy and mental clarity, but my body was holding on to that inflammation and fat around my waist and belly. So I tried the 36-hour fast, and it was a turning point. I felt lighter, less bloated, and my body finally had enough time to do the deeper repair it needed. What's happening in your body by 36 hours? By this time, your body has fully switched into that fat-burning mode. Your insulin levels are low and stable, allowing you to access that visceral fat, the deep fat stored around your belly. At this stage, autophagy, your body's natural cellular cleanup system, is in full flow, breaking down old, damaged cells and replacing them with new efficient ones. Growth hormone levels rise, protecting muscle and supporting regeneration. Stem cell activity also increases, helping to repair your gut lining, skin, and even parts of your immune system. For menopausal women, this fast is powerful because it restores hormone sensitivity. With lower estrogen, your body becomes more insulin resistant, and this fast helps to rebalance that, meaning fewer cravings, steadier blood sugar, and a calmer mood. And yes, it helps your body finally start releasing that stubborn belly fat. How to prepare for the fast? 2 days before your 36-hour fast, start eating clean. That means reduce sugar, alcohol, and processed foods, and focus on balanced meals that have protein, healthy fats, and colourful veggies. The day before your fast, keep meals nourishing and hydrate well with water throughout the day. This sets your body up to enter the fast feeling balanced and ready. How to do the fast? This fast is usually started in the evening after your meal around 5 or 6 p.m, then breaking your fast in the morning after that 36-hour period. During your fast, stay hydrated with water, herbal tea, or you can have black coffee if you wish. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt to your water every second or third glass, up to about 1/4 teaspoon across the day. Drink plenty of water. This helps replace your minerals your body naturally releases during fasting and prevents light-headedness or fatigue. Keep movement gentle, walk, stretch, or do light yoga. Your focus here is calm, restorative energy, not output. How to break the fast? When you reach your 36-hour mark, be mindful as your body is in deep repair mode. So break your fast gently. Start with something soothing and easy to digest, like bone broth or a few spoonfuls of fermented food such as sauerkraut or coconut yogurt to reintroduce that healthy gut bacteria. Then move into a nourishing meal that includes lean protein such as fish, eggs, or chicken, fiber-rich veggies like leafy greens, courgettes, or asparagus, and healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or a small handful of seeds. Eat slowly, be present, and take a moment to give thanks. You've given your body time to heal, rest, and renew. Well done. Frequency tip. You can do a 36-hour fast once or twice a month if it feels good for you. It's a powerful reset for breaking through plateaus, reducing inflammation, and supporting that deep fat burning and repair and that stubborn belly fat. So now you know how to do the 36-hour belly busting fast. Why don't you learn more and continue your fasting journey? YouTube will recommend my other videos to help guide you further.